Hi, my name's Kai, and today I'm going to be showing you how to solve the 2 by 3 by 3. I think this is a really cool puzzle that is only 2 layers of a 3 by 3, and I think it's really cool to learn how to solve it. I'm really excited to show you how to solve it. Enjoy! Let's get started. But first you'll need to learn how the notations and how to turn this. So you got to remember, when I'm saying R, I actually mean R2. So when I'm saying like any of these faces that have only 6 on it, remember that I'm actually mean you turn that face 2 times. So here's the notation. So there's R for right, so R inverse. Inverse means counterclockwise. And if I don't say inverse after the letter, I actually mean clockwise. So there's U for up, U inverse, F for front, and F inverse. There's L inverse, B for back, and B inverse, D inverse for down, and those are the notations. Also, on the 3 by 3, which is a different cube, there are notations like M and stuff, but you don't have to know this for this cube. Let's get started. So first we need this white center, and you're going to put it on the top. And then if you look at another cube, you can see that the color scheme is like this: red, white, and blue, or green, white, and red, or orange, white, and green, or blue, white, and orange. So you have to copy that on this cube. So if we want to bring an edge up, you can put it on the bottom and bring it up. Put it underneath where it needs to go and just bring it up. So here, if we look at this cube, let's check if this is right. So if we put green in front, let's check, is orange to the left or orange to the right? No, it's actually red. So this actually has to go to the other side. So like that. And if you look at another cube, this has to go here. This has to go here. Now, once you get done with that, you have your top cross. And you want to get all of the corner pieces right here in their solid place. So you're going to go ahead and put that white on the bottom. And you're going to look at a corner piece that has white on it, a piece of white on it. So then you're going to look at the other 2 colors other than white, which is, for me, orange and green. So you're going to put it above where it needs to go. Here, this is orange and green. This is orange and green. So orange and green, so it needs to go down here in between those 2 edges. And then you can go ahead and put that on the top right, and you do R, U, R prime, U prime, R, and then that's how to bring that corner down there. Also, when you're doing that, you're actually switching these 2. So you can actually bring up a corner like that. So if you want this corner to get out of here, if you wanted to bring it up here, then you can do that algorithm. So I need this one to go down here so I can do that algorithm. So it's like this: R, U, R prime, U prime, R. And here, I need this one to go I need this one to go in here, so I can do R, U, R prime, U prime, R. Now you have the white layer. This is a layer, and we're just gonna do the last layer. So, hold on, let me just do something here. Okay, so here, what we need to do is you're gonna look for headlights. Headlights are if you have 2 of these pieces that are matching up. So I don't have any there, I don't have any there, I don't have any there, and I don't have any there. So you're going to hold it in any position with yellow on the top, and you're going to do R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U inverse, D inverse, R, U prime, R, U, R prime, D prime. So like that. And then you have headlights. I don't know if I explained that algorithm right, so I'm going to show it again. So these are headlights. So you're always going to put the headlights on the left, and these 2 need to swap, so you can do the algorithm, which is R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U inverse, D inverse, R inverse, U inverse, R, U, R inverse, D inverse. And then you can, once you have all the headlights, you can match the headlights with the respected side. So this is headlights, you can match them up with the respected side. Now we need to do these edges. So here, this is a case where these two need to swap. If two need to swap, that's parity, which means that it's an insolvable case. So what you have to do is this specific algorithm. R2, U2, R2, U2, R2, U2. And that solves parity. Now, if you have a case like this, where you have three that need a swap that are like this, you always have to put it in a U shape. So like this. And you're going to repeat this algorithm until it works, until they solve. So you're just going to do M inverse 2. So what you're going to do is bring this bottom thing to the top. You're going to turn the top clockwise. Bring that center down halfway. You're going to bring the top 2 times. You're going to bring the center up halfway. Turn the top clockwise and bring the center back down, the line back down. And that's how to solve a cube. But also you might get a case where, hold on, I'm just going to get the case where two opposite ones need to switch. You're going to put them in a vertical position and you're going to do R, U2, R, U2, R, U2. And that is how to solve the 2 by 3 by 3. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Once you subscribe, you can hit the notify button so you can get notified when more of my videos come out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!